This is video number 8 in the 30-day Minimalist Challenge. Today I'm breaking down how you can declutter and simplify your life using the 80-20 rule, where 80% of the benefits come from 20% of your efforts. First up, identify the essential. Look at everything you own and ask yourself, do I use this regularly? Does it add value to my life? Statistics show that most people use only 20% of their belongings 80% of the time. Focus on keeping these high-value items. Next, declutter ruthlessly. Set a timer for 15 minutes each day and tackle one area at a time. Let go of items that don't serve a purpose or bring you joy. Remember, less is more. Step 3. Organize smartly. Utilize storage solutions to keep your space tidy. Categorize similar items together and ensure everything has a designated spot. This makes it easier to maintain a minimalist lifestyle. Step 4. Implement a one-in, one-out rule. For every new item you bring in, let go of one old item. This keeps your space clutter-free and ensures you only surround yourself with what truly matters. Step 5. Finally, reflect and adjust. Practice makes perfect. Celebrate your successes and identify any areas that need improvement. Minimalism is a journey, not a destination. Subscribe for more videos. I focus on providing valuable, practical, and interesting information that can improve your life. All right, quick recap. Identify essentials, declutter ruthlessly, organize smartly, implement a one-in, one-out rule, and reflect. In the next video, I'll show you 10 items to remove from your home right away. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.